So friends, I have a pretty busy day tomorrow. And when I say busy, I mean that I need to be glued to my chair for many hours and editing. One of my clients gave me quite a few videos to edit, so tomorrow I need to have a super productive day. And I thought, why not wake up at 5 a.m. and have a super productive day? It is currently 10 minutes to 10 and all I have to do is to change my sheets, my bed sheets, and then I need to lay down and fall asleep. I normally fall asleep around 11:30, sometimes 12 a.m. I mean, who am I kidding? Lately, I have been sleeping at 12 a.m., which is not early at all, and it's also not the ideal time if I'm going to be waking up at 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. So hopefully I will be asleep before 12 a.m. tonight, because I normally need a good of 8 up to 9 hours of sleep to feel well rested. I'm definitely not gonna be sleeping for that long tonight, but at least I want to sleep for a decent amount of hours, so I'm not going to be dragging myself throughout the day tomorrow and feeling super tired. For now, I need to change my sheets and I need to crawl into bed. So that's the plan, and I will see you all tomorrow bright and early at 5 o'clock. Good morning, my friends. I am finally done with my morning routine and I am ready to start my workday. I am ready to get into the zone, into the flow. You know when you are working on something and you just lose track of time and you are so absorbed to that thing that you are working on? Yes, I want that feeling for today. I want the hours to just flow by and finishing as many videos as I can. I'm planning only to get up to make lunch, and then of course I will take a break to have lunch, and that is going to be the plan. I only have a tiny bit of tea left. It is cold now, but I will drink it nonetheless. So far I'm not feeling tired. I'm feeling pretty good. That's nice. I was expecting to feel exhausted and sleepy and like I wanted to climb back into bed, and honestly I did feel sleepy when I woke up, but it wasn't as bad as I had imagined. Also last night I fell asleep around 12 a.m. so I haven't slept for that long, but it's okay. We'll see how the day is going to go. But for now I need to start work because I don't want to be sitting here until 8 p.m. Because as a freelancer I feel like it is pretty easy for me to either lose track of time or to say to myself like, no, today you will work until 8-9 p.m. but it's not the healthiest of things to do. We will see where the day is going to take us. My plan is to wrap up work around 4, maximum 5 p.m. It's time to cook. We will have this meal both for lunch and for dinner, and I am preparing chicken burgers with rice. We also have steamed beetroot in the fridge from yesterday. I just add a little bit of olive oil, vinegar, a little bit of dried garlic, a little bit of salt, and it tastes amazing. So that is the meal for today. The chicken burgers are already in the oven. I don't like showing raw meat in my channel because maybe someone is vegetarian, vegan, and they definitely don't want to watch raw meat on their screens. I remember one day I was watching a vlog and the girl was cooking beef and she showed raw beef, and I just couldn't. If you don't know, I don't eat red meat and I don't like seeing it, and to be honest I don't even prefer seeing raw chicken, but a picky girl gotta eat some protein to survive. But I'm about to prepare rice, which is nothing revolutionary. I just wanted to fill you in about what I'm doing. It is currently 4 minutes past 2, so it's about time that I cook food because I'm hungry. I already had a little snack. I had my regular snack, which is an orange juice with nuts and dark chocolate. I am officially done with work, and I swear that if I see another subtitle today, I will snap. I'm so done. All these hours that I was working, I managed to stress myself out. Of course, what else is new? Anyways, so I am done with work, and normally now I would change into my activewear and I would work out, but I just don't feel like staying in the house any longer. And if you're new to my channel, I always work out from home, and that is not happening today. Seriously, it is not happening. I feel like I need some fresh air. I have been locked in the apartment the whole day. I need some fresh air, I need some sunshine, and I need to do something else, something that will help me relax and have a good time, because I just deserve it after this long day. I mean, it's not that late, it's just a little bit before 5 p.m. But still, because I woke up early, it feels like I had the longest day. But the day's not over yet, so I guess that's nice. Also, I think I'm being very aggressive with my foundation. I need to chill. So I texted my sister and I asked her if she would like to get coffee, and she said yes. So we will grab some coffee, probably decaf for me because I'm anxious enough, and we will also just walk around, maybe also check out a few stores. We will see. We're not gonna shop, we're not doing any shopping. We gotta save our money Sometimes I watch vlogs from other girls, and there are some girls who shop something in every single one of their vlogs. And I'm like, couldn't be me. I wish. But if I did that, I would have no money left. All jokes aside, shopping is very fun. It is fun. I feel like it is fun. For me, it is fun. And I think that for a lot of people it is. You just feel rejuvenated after you have bought something for yourself. But overconsumption, ladies, is not fun. It's definitely not fun. It's not good. Also, it is currently Monday. I don't even remember if I said that. And normally during Mondays, I don't work out anyways because I'm working till late and then I don't feel like working out. So it's not like I'm skipping my workout today. Some Mondays I do work out, other Mondays I don't. My goal is to work out 3 up to 4 times a week. So we're good. I will have an active rest day, let's say, because I will walk quite a lot with my sister. I need to finish getting ready because she will be here any minute now, and then we will head out to drink some decaf coffee. Okay, I am ready. This is going to be the outfit. I will take this little bag with me. I don't know if the cardigan is too thick for the weather that we currently have. I might get a bit warm, but better warm than cold. If I get too warm, I can just take it off. But if I get cold, I wouldn't want to be with just a t-shirt. So cardigan it is. Also just love this cardigan. The color makes me so happy. So my sister will be here any minute now. I will just put on my shoes and we're good to go.
Saw you down the motorway. There was something about you that day. I can still hear the shimmering sound. The hill is near, let's get right up. Walk up to the very top. We couldn't tell the sky from the ground. I know my life will never be the same after that day. Fingers and you stay. I don't ever wanna be alone again. In spite of all, you're my best friend.
I am finally back home and it's already 9 p.m. guys. We have been out for so many hours and we just had the best time. I know that I was saying that I was anxious before while I was getting ready, but now my mood is way better. I just needed a day out, seriously. Spending too many hours in the house is never ideal. It's not good. Also, look what my sister got me at IKEA. These are pretty good. They are little cinnamon rolls, I want to say. But I was always seeing them at the IKEA little grocery store section. And I always wanted to try them, but I never bought them for myself. I don't know why. And today my sister thought that we should try them together. We both really liked them. And now I need to do my skincare, change into my PJs, and I will probably read for a little while and fall asleep because I am pretty tired now. I think that I have started feeling it, that I woke up this early. Will I wake up again at 5 a.m. tomorrow? No. But I think that I will try to wake up around 7. I want to say 7:30 maybe. That would be a logical hour for me to wake up. We definitely don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. every single day in order to be productive. But on the other hand, there are so many people that have to wake up even earlier than 5 a.m. to get to their jobs. Listen, waking up when it's still nighttime and you might also have to commute to get to your job, it is tough. You have to do that whether it is Spring, summer, winter, whether it is raining, whether it is snowing. If you are at this exact position, I feel you. I'm sending you all my positive energy and my love. I have been through that at some point in my life. I used to work at a hotel, and when I had to work the 7 a.m. shift, which was quite often, I had to wake up every single day around 4:45 a.m. and I was used to it, but there were days that I was just not feeling the best to wake up this early and also commute to get to my job. It was a weird period in my life. I mean, I had my good days and my bad days, which is still the case today, but I feel like it is way better now that I am like my own boss and I'm working as a freelancer and I get to arrange my own schedule. Yes, sometimes I feel like I don't stop working at all. I don't get days off, but I feel like this is my issue to resolve. And I feel like if I continue waking up earlier and organize my schedule a bit better, then I wouldn't have to work every day during the weekends as well. But anyways, I just wanted to say that waking up at 5 a.m. is not necessary for everyone. It's not healthy or achievable for everyone. Everyone has their own lives, their own schedules. Other people have kids, some others don't. Other people work from home, others don't. So waking up at 5 a.m. is nothing standard, and if you're not waking up at 5 a.m. every single day, there is nothing wrong with that. I just want to say that because there are so many videos on this platform, my videos included, that are titled Productive 5 a.m. Day in My Life, Let's Be Productive, Waking Up Early, blah blah blah. Yes, you actually have more time to do more things during your day, but then again, you need to sleep earlier to wake up this early, and also you might wake up at 8 a.m., 9 a.m. and still be productive and still get everything you have to get done. So 5 a.m. is not the magic hour. 5 a.m. is not the magic recipe and solution to become a super productive person. I love waking up this early every once in a while, but this is definitely not something that I do on a daily basis. And also, do not even get me started about moms with little children, with little babies. These super women do not even get to sleep, okay? They have to wake up every 1 hour, every half an hour to look after their children. So I know that this all is a given, but in these type of videos, waking up at 5 a.m., etc., I see sometimes, not in my videos, but in other people's videos, I see in their comments that people judge them and they say that you're not doing anything revolutionary waking up this early. Best thing we know, waking up at 5 a.m. is nothing revolutionary. So many people do it. It's nothing glamorous. But what I'm trying to say is that you don't need to stress yourself out if you don't wake up that early every single day. You will wake up the time that works for you. I always try to remind you these things, that you follow routines that work for you. You arrange your schedule the way that it works for you and for your lifestyle. I don't have to be at any office. I'm not working for somebody else. I don't have children. I don't have to go to school. So I can be so flexible with my own schedule. Other people don't get to do that. So try to not compare your daily life to the daily lives that you see online. And that is also a good reminder for me as well. So enough talking. I need to take this makeup off, wear my PJs. We will do some reading. I want to continue my book, and we also gotta fall asleep because I think that I have started getting a bit delirious. I feel like it is coming. It is coming.